Good morning, everyone. It's just after 5 a.m. Letting the car warm up here for a minute. Getting ready to go to ice hockey. I'm a night owl, but I don't mind waking up early for ice hockey. On my channel, I used to use a quote quite a lot by the Irish writer George Bernard Shaw. He used to say, "We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing." Stay active, keep your muscles in use, and they are less likely to atrophy or to reduce in size. Stay mobile, stay agile. For me, jumping rope is a big part of that. Many years ago, I actually started jumping rope when it seemed like we might lose our ice hockey time. So during one of the off seasons, I started jumping rope. I had jumped rope when I was in elementary school, but I was absolutely brutal. I remember jumping so high off the ground, I would bend my knees really high. Just trying to do 3 jumps in a row was extremely tiring. Even getting one jump without the rope getting stuck in my feet was difficult. I tried again in high school, and the same result. I didn't want to make mistakes. I didn't feel good making mistakes. I preferred doing things that I was good at. So I stuck with certain sports. And later on in life, I didn't care so much about making mistakes, not being the best at something, or having that beginner's mind where you're new to something and you know making mistakes is normal. It's part of the process. So I started jumping rope outside in public. I made mistakes like crazy all the time. Rope was getting stuck in my feet. I was getting frustrated, but I just never gave up. I remember watching some jump rope videos where people demonstrated 30 jump rope moves. And I was also a big fan of boxers like Miguel Cotto, Floyd Mayweather, and I wanted to mimic the jump rope moves that they do. So I set my sights on learning the basic moves to begin with, and eventually to jump rope like Floyd Mayweather, Miguel Cotto, and of course, cross ropes, Dave Hunt. I remember watching videos of him doing hundreds of double unders. And at that point, I couldn't even do one double under. I kept practicing and practicing. I struggled to do a few double unders in a row. But I said to myself, if there's someone else like that who can do hundreds of them, surely I can do at least 10 of them. And then when I got to doing 10 of them, I set my sights on doing 20, and then 50, and then 100, and then beyond. Fast forward, I was doing 300 double unders in a row myself. It was amazing. Just the idea of continually putting in effort, regularity. And that's a key word, regularity or consistency. Just don't give up, even 15 minutes a few times a week, learning the skill. It's amazing what you can do. I just started picking up a guitar again recently after not playing for many, many years. And it's amazing the progress you can make. As long as you don't give up, you don't let those early frustrations get in your way. I know this month a lot of people are doing a jump rope challenge. A shout out to Tina and your compadres. That's awesome. Good luck. Keep up the good work. All right, well, I better get moving now. It's 5:15. Got to drive for a little while. Get to the rink, change, be on the ice by 6:30. Got coffee in hand here, so I drank some water when I woke up. 1 cup of coffee already inside home, and I got a tumbler full of coffee that I cooled down with a bit of cold water. All right, talk soon, folks.